Hey everyone, so today I am taking you over to NP Art Center to check out their Diversity Collective Art exhibition. As you can see here, we are on their Instagram page and they have a lot of information. This art exhibit is going through April 5 and it has a lot of beautiful art for you to check out. I'm just scrolling through the Instagram so you could see what they typically have at the art center, but I'm excited to take you over there. The face that you will see is very familiar as he's been in a few of my previous videos, but he has opened a new center from the previous one, so I'm excited to introduce this to you. All right, let's head over there. We are back with Patrick at NP Art Center.
Yeah.
Patrick, tell us a little bit.
Hello, my name is Patrick. I'm an artist here. I'm also the founder of the center. NP Art Center is an art gallery based here in Kigali. We are having a permanent exhibition from 15 different artists from Rwanda. And now at the gallery we are having current exhibition from 7 artists, 6 men and 1 woman. We are working together in this exhibition called Diversity. So inside here we have the display for that exhibition.
Okay.
And please, you're welcome.
All right.
Yeah.
So, and you said outside here is where you do the workshop for the children?
This is a workshop place for the children's program we have here.
Okay.
We're having the painting class season and dancing class season as well.
Okay.
So on this side is for painting class and we use our parking for the dancing class. Yeah, and that is our tiny studio for the artists.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are planning to having the crafty shop in that house over there.
A coffee shop?
Crafty shop.
Oh, crafty?
Craft, yeah.
Okay, like for
craft.
crafts. Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
Yeah.
All right, very good. So let's head inside.
Yeah, please, you're welcome inside.
Okay. I'll let you explain as we...
And now...
Oh, this one is beautiful, isn't it?
This is so now different. This is the current exhibition.
Oh, wow.
And, this is some of paintings and I am included in this exhibition. I've been featured and this one is my painting.
Oh, nice, Patrick.
Yeah, it's acrylic and the fabrics on the canvas.
Oh, nice. So it is the fabrics that you're seeing.
Yeah, in the background.
So like here's fabrics. Oh, that's
all
really nice.
All the way here.
Yeah.
I try to use the fabrics and as representing the African culture through styling.
Okay.
Yeah, and this one is called Living with Ladies.
Living with Ladies?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was like the women band, which was existing back in days here in Kigali. Yeah, and I was being inspired by their story and I wish to share to the world.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
The colors, especially, they go well together.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, we have more here.
Okay.
As you can see, and this one also is from me. This one is called The Evening of Women.
Okay.
Yeah, here in Rwanda we have also the programs which support the women to become over here, to create some kind of like jobs and to help them support their family. And this one I try to show how like that evening program, the mothers and or the parents, they gather together to share the opportunity, to share the challenges they are facing in the family. Yeah, and it's a part of supporting the women society in Kigali and in the whole country, Rwanda.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And this one also.
This is yours?
Another artist.
Okay, I was gonna say this doesn't look like your work.
Yeah, this is from another artist. It's called Rukundo Jean-Baptiste.
Okay.
It's called Ibibaya Namasizi. It's a kind of like he tried to portray like the very 1,000 hills in one image as valley and hills. Yeah, that's why it's mainly in Rwanda. Ibibaya Namasizi.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one also is showing our traditional cows.
Right.
It's called Inyambo. Yeah, Inyambo. It's very known in our very traditional culture, especially in kingdom time, where the king will having a lot of like cows, but having like the horns going to be like this. So he was just expressing to show how the real culture through the cow by giving the gift to the bride and groom.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
And
this one is yours. Yeah.
This is one also is mine. Also, you can see the fabrics in the background. There's somehow like the jeans.
Right.
And this colorful. I use a lot of like colorful too, because like in the colors I feel happy. I feel safe.
That's right.
Yeah. To bring joy in the house.
Yeah.
And in the relaxation to help a lot. And this one is very known band. It's called the marimba.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a known band here?
Not here. I mean, in Malawi.
Oh, in Malawi. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a very famous in Malawi marimba band.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, I like the green is my favorite color, so I like the green fabrics. On top there, those are very pretty.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So this is the beginning.
Yeah. And we have more looms.
Okay.
This is the second loom here we have, and this loom we have two artists. It's right here.
Oh, beautiful.
This is James Nizeyimana.
This is the artist here.
Yeah, the artist biography.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one was the women voice.
Okay.
Yeah, it was about the meeting of the women conference.
Okay.
Talking and sharing to learn how in the worldwide they can support.
I like the mic, how he has a mic drop there.
Yeah. Yeah, and this artist use the paper in the background. You can see these different colors. It's the collage of papers. You just stick on the canvas, as you can see. And on the body of these women, this one is the very tiny kind of the jeans.
Kind of what?
The jeans.
Oh, jeans.
Yeah,
this is jean material?
Yeah, it's a jeans material.
That is very creative.
Yeah.
I love that. Okay.
Yeah. And if you try to portray them in a traditional dresses called mitenero. Yeah. And
all right.
And on this one, it's a peace conference. So in the worldwide, we have a lot of like conflict everywhere.
Yeah.
And the artists, because he been refuge in a different countryside, decided to portray image of bringing like the peace in the society anywhere in the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And here, this is the woman artist we have here. And this one.
Oh, this is the artist.
That is the artist.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one is called the Fighters. Yeah. Here in Kigali, especially in a lot of like the bus stations.
Okay.
We have the women who carry the basket, selling some fruits, selling some kind of vegetables on the head. And here we have like this slang called like they are fighters, because they have struggled a lot, and you can't pray with them because like they really suffering from the street to feed their families and to support their families as well.
Okay.
So that's why it's called like the fighters.
Nice.
Yeah. And this one also is from an Ingrid as well. It's the strength of women.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And then this is who?
Yeah. And another one is from the Samaris. This is one is called the friendship, and it's about the friendship of
school children.
The school children.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, and the school uniforms.
Yeah.
Yeah, their friendship was very strong. We try to show how powerful, strong they are when they are together, supporting each other. Yeah.
Gorgeous. I like the detail. I didn't show your profile. Let me just get a picture of yours. So this is yours here. All right. And just to remind people for these ones. Okay.
And here we try to do some prints, because here we say high quality print artwork for any size from this one is available. And this one were like the samples we try to give to the visitors to see even the print is available. Yeah, and on the small sizes, because the whole exhibition is a big painting, almost going to be the same sizes for everyone.
So if they want the small size, they can get it.
For those one who can carry them.
More affordable.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice lighting back here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is another artist.
All right.
He's Nizeyimana Emmanuel. And
so let's start with this one.
This one, we try to portray three friends. We're like sharing the party together. Yeah, in a party, so you can see.
Yeah, the humans.
Yeah, the humans here. And
Yeah, very interesting.
And this one also is from him.
Okay.
Or it's me and myself.
Nice.
It's just the portraits like of two people, but becoming one person.
Right. I was like, it looked like one person, but it's supposed to look that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. And this is another one from him. Yeah, and this one is Staying Alive.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see it's also the composition of three faces. Yeah, and
That's very creative how he does that. Yeah.
And this is another one artist. He's called Chisholm.
Okay.
Yeah, we are working together here. So yeah. This is one's called Beyond the Borders. Yeah, we try to portray the sunset and the women in the traditional dresses and the cow from back in days and gifting cow in the ceremonies.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For marriage.
Yeah. And this one also is from him. It's called King and the Queen. You can see their hairstyle here, showing this is our traditional haircut back in days in the kingdom time.
That's right.
Yeah, and this one for the women, and this were like they were like having a party in the kingdom, and they were dancing and they were enjoying the traditional dance. You can see this one. It's our traditional wig.
Okay.
But use it for the men.
It's a wig that the women would wear on their hair?
The men.
Okay. Oh, the men?
Yeah, the men.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the men, they wear this wig, very long wig, whitish.
Okay.
So when they are performance, the dance called Inore.
That's right, they wear that. That's right. Okay.
Yeah. And this one, it's called The Journey of Hope.
Okay.
Yeah, being a refuge, taking all the things you can try to go with. So it was like sometimes you had to move to find the hope in another country or another place. So that he tried to show how the people they are moving day to day and sometimes in the worldwide.
That's right.
Trying to find the hope and peace.
I like how he put like the speckles throughout. It's very creative.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. And this is another artist. He's Philippe Mugisha.
Okay.
Yeah. And this one is called The Agenda in the Family.
The agenda in the family.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He tried to show like how the women now empowerment is working.
Okay.
How the women, they are not relying on the men, still struggling and trying to find other way to support themselves together.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all the image about, they were like going to fetch some water from the valley back to home, and they carrying the children at the same time. Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is called Richard. Yeah, it is about the beauty of African ladies.
Yeah, doing each other's hair.
Yeah, their hairs. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is all about diversity. Everyone try to express his idea, his story in his own style.
That's right.
Yeah.
Through the artwork.
Yeah, and we were so happy to do the opening. A lot of people came to support, and we are now so happy as well. We are still having people coming to visit this exhibition.
That's right.
And it's still on till 5 April.
Okay, till April 5.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the hours that they can come to see?
We are opening every day from morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay.
Yeah, and the gate is open. You're welcome.
All right.
Yeah.
And if they want to reach out to you privately, do you have a WhatsApp or email?
We have the social media.
Social media.
Yeah. Instagram and Facebook page. It's NP at Kigali.
Okay.
And our email address is np@gallery1@gmail.com.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Thank you.